Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on NIO stock. We are seeing this stock in the past day actually be up by 3.7%. This is quite impressive, and it shows a lot of strength behind this stock, especially considering what we have seen over the last week or so. I think this sets the stage for a potentially very positive and bullish week, as I will get to over the course of this video. If you enjoy it, make sure to please leave a like and subscribe. Also remember, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Anyway, we're going to jump straight in and we've got to look at the 5-day trend, right? Ultimately moving lower from the highs to the lows. We are down by what, 10%? And over the past period we're down by 0.96. Over the past month, still very bullish, and this is absolutely worth considering. And I want to just highlight this, go back to early to mid-July, and this was a $3 stock, $3.20 or something like that. We have obviously therefore seen a large increase in price ever since, and the fact that we are able to hold on to levels not just here at $4.50 but then even higher, potentially into the $6 or $5 range, is impressive by itself. Now, looking at what's actually happened, we've seen NIO stock actually go down to the levels roughly around $5.90, $5.95, something like that, which in itself is not bad. Again, this is a stock that's up big. You're going to expect these small declines. And actually, I would say it is a broad sign of a healthy stock which is ultimately moving in the right direction. You can now see this is given time for critical indicators like the RSI to absolutely cool off, now looking very neutral, potentially a good indicator for things to come. And again, it's very apparent, or it is becoming somewhat apparent, that we could be looking at a bottom here at $5.95, right? If that is the case, then this could be at the start of a very interesting trend. And we've seen this before. We've seen this in NIO stock a couple of times. Again, just look back here. See this massive increase or relatively big increase? Slight cool-off period. Are we seeing this again now and getting ready for the next rally upwards? Well, again, I think that's possible. To see this, we're going to need to see $5.94, $5.95 hold up. Then you're looking to break above levels which could be somewhere like $6.30, previous levels of resistance, before, well, initially you could even say $6.20, $6.23. Then past that, of course, you're looking to get past $7, a range that we are just struggling to get into. Again, it very much depends what your opinion on NIO stock is and what your risk tolerance is. It's definitely an early sign or an early day to call this one a potential turnaround stock. It's definitely very early to say whether this one's going to go back up and go back up higher. But if you do have that bullish perspective, you've got to ask that question where we are now. At the same time, if you're a bit more cautious like I am, I personally would wait on this one for a bit more of a sign of confirmation. However, you guys can play things exactly how you like. That is completely up to you. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do make sure to leave a like for me and subscribe if you can. And I hope I will see you in a future episode. Goodbye for now.